be 5000 plus 6600. Solve this, you will get 6600. So therefore installment will be 11600. Third will be what? 5000 in principal plus 12 upon 100, 12% basically. So 12 upon 100 into 50,000, because only 5,000 is gone now, 50,000 remains, and so on. So 5 plus 6, 11,000, and so on. So now check the installments. What are these? 12,200, 11,600, 11,000. It means they are decreasing by 600. It means what? They are in arithmetic progression with the D as minus 600. So what we have to find? The total of these installments. So that is what Sn. Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is what? 12. A is what? This first installment, 12,200, and d is what? Minus 600. Therefore solve this now. Now it becomes simple. 12 upon 2 into 12,200 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 600. That is 6 into 24,400 minus 11 into 600. So total is 106,800 if you solve this. So this is the total of the installments, but initially he had paid 60,000. So total cost is what? Add this, you will get 166,800. That is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.